Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by validating prerequisites and grabbing the file you'll edit. Check that Donk v2. X is installed and Node 18 Plus is available. Once done, find the active config at /, donk/config, JSON or project, /donk, config, JSON, make a backup with CP or Git to preserve the original. Now open the config in your preferred editor. You'll change specific keys next. This quick validation prevents wasted edits and ensures you can revert if something goes wrong. You'll now edit the core settings that control behavior. Change server, port and auth, token for access, and update storage. Path to a stable mount. These directly affect runtime. Use donkly validate or JQ to lint the JSON after each edit so you avoid syntax errors. Once valid, merge environment-specific overrides by exporting donk env equals prod and running the donk config. Apply command to test. This sequence keeps config consistent across environments and prevents accidental downtime. You finish by deploying and validating changes. Restart the service with systemtool restart donk or run donkly reload, then verify health with donkly status and scan logs in /var/log/donk for errors. Test endpoints impacted by changes to ensure functionality. If anything fails, restore the backup or run git checkout on the config to revert instantly. One key troubleshooting tip: if donk fails to start, validate JSON first and check for missing commas or trailing commas. Syntax issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.